Good morning, students. Today we learn the fourth chapter of English, and the name of the chapter is Before the Match. Match के पहले. Okay. So here there are pictures given of 3 balls, and you have to write the name of the games in which these balls are used. So this you have to do on your own. You have to write the name of the games in which these balls are used. So this story is about Swaminathan, who tries his best to skip the evening drill practice to prepare himself for the upcoming match. So this is a short story. This is a story about a boy whose name is Swaminathan, and this boy Swaminathan plays cricket, and he tries, and in this story we learn how he tries his best to skip the evening drill practice, the practice which is done before the upcoming match. So we'll start. You can see here the picture of boys playing cricket over here. Okay, so there is a match. I think there is a match and they are playing cricket over here. The match was to be played on Sunday after 2 weeks. Now here there was a match organized which was to be played on Sunday, and that match was when after 2 weeks. Okay, Rajam lost all peace of mind. He felt confident that his team could thrash the YMU Young Men's Union. YMU is a name of a cricket team. So now Rajam lost all his peace of mind. Why? Because I think he must be the captain of the team, and he was confident. He thought that his team could thrash the YMU team. Thrash means to defeat. Next, he himself could be depended upon not to let down the team. Now he also was the team was also dependent on him, that he will play well in the match and he will not let down the team. Money was steady even if unimpressive. Now here there is another player whose name is Money, and that Money was unimpressive but he was steady. So unimpressive meaning is ordinary, simple. Okay, and steady, whom we can rely upon, whom we can trust. But here what Rajam thinks, that Money was unimpressive but he was steady. He was a person who can be trusted. Okay, he could be depended upon to stop any ball with his head if necessary. And what can Money do? Money can stop any ball with his head when it was necessary. His batting was not bad. His batting was also not so bad. He was also playing batting well. There was only one player who caused him the deepest anxiety day and night. Now what is the meaning of anxiety? A state of feeling nervous or worry. There was only one person in the team, one player in the team about whom Rajam thought day and night. He was tense about only one player, and because he did not trust on him. On him rested a great risk, a mighty responsibility. So on him what rested? क्या था उसके ऊपर? एक great responsibility था. He was rested on a great responsibility was rested on him. He was the tat of the team. Now tat means it is a name of an English cricket player, and he is compared with the tat of the team, and he must bowl out all the 11 of the other team. And what must he do? He must bowl out, he must make out all the 11 other players in the team. But he looked uncertain. Even with the match only a fortnight off, he did not seem to care for practice. Now that player who is compared with that, he was a very good player, but what happened? He looked uncertain, and even when the match was only fortnight. What is fortnight? A period of 15 days. Only 15 days were left for the match, but that player did not care for practice. He did not practice only. So the captain Rajam was very tense about this player only. We'll go to the next page. Page number 28. Swami, Rajan pleaded, please do try to have at least an hour's practice in the evening. Now Swami, Rajam said to Swami, that player's name is Swaminathan. Okay, so Swami, he said, he requested, pleaded means to request, that please try to have at least 1 hour practice in the evening. That please take 1 hour's practice in the evening. Please practice for 1 hour in the evening. Certainly, Rajan, if you can suggest a way. Now, what does Swami say? That yes, certainly I will practice, but you should suggest me a way. You should give me an idea. Why not tell your headmaster that? So, what does Rajam say? That why not? You can tell your headmaster. Oh no, no, Swaminathan cried. I am grateful to you for your suggestion, but let us not think of that man. Now when Rajam says that you can go to your headmaster, then what does Swaminathan cried and say, no, 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 I am very thankful for your suggestion, for your advice, but please now do not talk about that man. मैं आपके लिए, आपके एडवाइस के लिए बहुत ही थैंकफुल हूँ, लेकिन आप अभी उस मैन के बारे में मेरे सामने बात मत करो. I don't care. What I want is that you should have good practice. Now what does Rajam say? That I don't care what you want to do, but I just want you to have a good practice. If you keep any batsman standing for more than 5 minutes, I will never see your face again. Now Rajam says to Swaminathan that now if you keep any batsman standing for more than 5 minutes, then I will not see your face again. Just 7 days before the match, Swaminathan realized that his evenings were more precious than ever. Now before 7 days were left for the match, now Swaminathan realized that his evenings were very more precious. As soon as the evening bell rang, he lined up with the rest in the drill ground. Now, but contrary to the custom, he had not taken off his coat and cap. All the others were in their shirts with their dhotis tucked up. Now, as soon as the time came for the practice, as soon as the evening bell rang, he lined up with the rest in the drill ground. Now everyone came on the drill ground for practice, so he also went there for the practice of the match. But what happened? According to the custom, everyone had taken off his coat and cap, but Swaminathan did not remove his coat and cap. All the others were in their shirts and in dhotis tucked up. All the other players had removed their coat and they were in their shirts and they had put their dhotis tucked up. The drill master stopped before him, looked him up and down and passed on muttering, "You won't get leave, coat and cap off." Now what happened? Everyone had removed their coats and caps, but Swaminathan did not remove his coat and cap. So what did the drill master? His drill master, when he was going to the ground, his drill master stopped him and he looked at him and passed and said some few words, muttering. Muttering means speaking quietly to oneself. अपने आप को बड़बड़ाते हैं ना, that is muttering. You won't get leave, कि you will not get leave, go and remove your coat and cap. Swaminathan became desperate and pursued him. "Sir, I am in a terrible state of health. I can't attend drill today. I shall die if I do." Now here he tries to skip the evening drill practice. So what does he say? He does not remove his coat and cap, and when his drill master asks him, stops him and asks him to remove his coat and cap, then what does he say? He says that, sir, I am not well, I am in a terrible state, so I cannot attend the drill today, I cannot practice today, because if I will practice then I will surely die. क्या बहाना बनाता है वो कि आज मेरी तबीयत ठीक नहीं है और अगर मैंने प्रैक्टिस की आज तो क्या हो जाएगा, मैं मर सकता हूँ. सो दिस इज़ द एक्सक्यूज विच ही मेक्स टू skip the evening drill practice. The drill master had come to the last boy, and yet Swaminathan was dodging him. What was dodging? What is the meaning of dodging? Means to follow. Okay, the drill master came to the last boy in the players, and in that there was a line made, and in that the boy who was standing last, the drill master reached that boy, but yet what was Swaminathan doing? Swaminathan was following the drill master. He turned round on Swaminathan with a fierce expression. What is the matter with you? So what happened when the drill master reached the last boy on the ground, and what was Swaminathan doing? Swaminathan was following the drill master. So when he was following, he turned round. He turned towards Swaminathan with a angry expression. Fierce means angry, to become angry. He became angry and he asked him, Swaminathan, what is the matter with you? We'll go to the next page. Sir, the whole of last night was delirious. What is the meaning of delirious? Not able to think or speak clearly, that he was well. So what does Swaminathan say to the drill master? That, sir, the last night, whole night, I was not well, I was not able to speak. The drill master was stunned by this piece of news. You were delirious. So hearing that Swaminathan said that I was not well, I was delirious, so he was stunned. He got surprised by this news, and he said, you were delirious. I didn't sleep a wink last night. Or didn't sleep a wink means not able to sleep. So what does Swaminathan say? That I was not able to sleep last night because I was not well, I was not feeling well, I was delirious. A doctor said so. He has asked me not to attend drill for a week to come. Now what does Swaminathan say to his master? That I was not able to sleep last night, and because I was not well, and a doctor said that you don't have to attend the drill practice for at least 1 week. I didn't believe a word. Get out. So what does the master say? That I don't believe a word, I don't believe in you, and get out. Everybody at the field was happy to see him so early. Rajan jumped with joy. So what happened? Everyone in the field were very happy. Why? Because Swaminathan came on the ground very early, and Rajan, who was the captain of the team, he jumped with joy, seeing Swaminathan, who had arrived on the ground so early. The next morning, Swaminathan formed a plan to be free for all the evenings of the week. Now next morning, Swaminathan thought another plan so that he can get free from the evening drill practice. It was 7:30 in the morning, and he still had 2.5 hours before him for the school. Now it was 7:30 in the morning, and it was 2.5 hours were left for going to the school. So he thought another plan so that he can skip the evening drill practice. Swaminathan quietly slipped out of the house. He quietly came out of the house. He stood before a shop in front of which hung the board Dr. T. Kesavan, LM and S. Shri Krishna Dispensary. Now, when he slipped quietly, when he came out of the house quietly, he stood near a shop. He stood near a shop, and near that shop there was a board hung, and in that board it was written Dr. T. Kesavan, LM and S. Shri Krishna Dispensary. In that board this name was written. Swaminathan found that the doctor was alone and free and entered the shop. Now Swaminathan saw that the doctor was alone in the dispensary, so he entered the shop. Hello Swaminathan, what is the matter? Doctor, I need a doctor's certificate immediately. So when he entered the dispensary, what happened? The doctor asked Swaminathan, what happened? What is the matter? So what does Swaminathan say to the doctor? That, doctor, I need a certificate immediately. I want a doctor's certificate immediately. So what is the matter with you? So the doctor says, why do you want a certificate? What is the matter? I will tell you the truth, doctor. I have to play a match next week against the Young Men's Union. I must have some practice. Yet every evening there is drill, class, scouting, some period or the other. Now here what does Swaminathan say to the doctor? When the doctor asks him what happened, why do you need a certificate, then Swaminathan says to the doctor that I will tell you the truth, मैं आपको सच बताऊंगा. I have to play match and next week a match is there, and in that match I have to play. So and that match is against the Young Men's Union, and for that match I have to do some practice, and every evening there is a practice done for the match. If you could give me a certificate asking them to let me off at 4:30 p.m., it would help the MCC Malgudi Cricket Club to win the match. Now if you give me a certificate asking the team of the captain to leave me at 4:30, then that will help the MCC. MCC is a Malgudi Cricket Club, so it will help the Malgudi Cricket Club to win the match. Well, I could do it, but is there anything wrong with you? So the doctor says, yes, I can do that, but is there anything wrong with you? क्या कुछ गलत है आपके साथ? कुछ आपकी तबीयत ठीक नहीं है? Swaminathan took half a second to find an answer. Certainly, I am beginning to feel of late that I have delirium. So what does Swaminathan? Swaminathan takes half a second to answer the question, and he says that yes, I think from late night that I am not well. Boy, did you say delirium? What exactly do you mean by delirium? So the doctor says, did you say delirium, and what exactly do you mean by delirium? I can't say exactly, but isn't it some kind of stomach ache? Okay, so what does Swaminathan say to the doctor? I cannot say exactly what is happening to me, why I am not feeling well, but it is some kind of stomach ache. My stomach is aching. The doctor laughed till a great fit of coughing threatened to choke him. Now hearing Swaminathan saying that he is thinking that his stomach is aching, so hearing that the doctor started laughing and loudly, and he laughed until there was a choke. Choke means to be unable to breathe. After that he looked Swaminathan under the eye. After that, what did the doctors do? The doctor looked under the eye of Swaminathan. examined his tongue. He examined his tongue. When you go to the doctor, then the doctor examines your tongue. Now he tells you to remove your tongue. So he examined his tongue, tapped his chest, and declared him to be in the pink of health. Now the doctor started to check Swaminathan. He first looked under the eye of Swaminathan, then he examined his tongue, then he tapped his chest, and what did he say? That he is the pink of health. He is in a very good health, that he is not ill, he is in a good health. He then told him it would do well to stick to his drill if he wanted to get rid of delirium. Then what did the doctor say? He told him to Swaminathan, it is better you go to the drill and practice in order to get rid of from delirium. If you go and practice for the match, then what will happen? You will not feel ill, you will feel good. So it is better you go to the ground and practice for the match, and if he wants to get rid of the delirium. Sorry. Swaminathan again explained to him how important it was for him to have his evenings free. But the doctor said, it is all very well, but I would be prosecuted if I give you any such certificate. Now what did the doctor say? That it is better you go to go for practice on the ground for your drill, and so that you can get rid of your delirium. But Swaminathan again explained the doctor that I am not feeling well, and please, I want all my evenings free, so please give me that certificate so that I can get rid from doing the practice for the match, the drill practice. But what did the doctor say? The doctor said that it is very well, that you are well and you are not sick, so it is better you go to the ground for the practice, and if I give you any medical certificate, then what will happen? I will be prosecuted. Prosecuted means to charge officially with a crime in court. There will be a case on me if I give you any such certificate. Who is going to find it out, doctor? Do you want our MCC to lose the match? Now what does Swaminathan say? That who will know that you have given me a false certificate, and do you want that our team, MCC team, will lose the match? Want the MCC team to lose the match? I wish you all the success, don't worry. I can't give you a certificate, but I shall talk to your headmaster about you and request him to let you off after 4:30. I cannot give you any certificate. I only wish you that you win the match, and don't worry, I can't give you the certificate. The doctor said that I can't give you the certificate, but I can talk to your headmaster to leave you after 4:30. That will do. You are very kind to me, doctor. So here what happened, that idea worked, and he said to the doctor that that will do. You can talk to my headmaster and ask him to request him to leave me after 4:30, and that will do. You are very kind to me, doctor. So that will do, and he said to the doctor, you are very good and kind to me. So here this story is written by R.K. Narayan. So what is the moral of the story? That honesty is the best policy. We should always speak the truth. We should not tell any lies. So honesty is the best policy. This moral we learned from the story of Swaminathan. So here we end the chapters.